In front of me is ZTE Blade V50 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and getting free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. When you find it and download it, just open it. Now hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on. When you finished, close your app and go into Tap menu. Now you need to tap on this pen next to the gear at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down. Look for a Caffeine shortcut and when you find it, hold it and drag it to the top. Then let go, go back, access Tap menu again and click on Caffeine to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!